Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to integrate Shopify with HubSpot. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to sign up for a HubSpot account. So if you haven't already, visit the HubSpot website, which is hubspot.com, and sign up for an account. Choose the HubSpot plan that best suits your needs. Now install the HubSpot app on Shopify. So log into your Shopify account and go to Shopify App Store. Search for the HubSpot app and install it. Follow the prompts to connect your Shopify store with HubSpot. Now configure the integration settings. Once the HubSpot app is installed, you will need to configure the integration settings. This includes granting permissions for data synchronization between Shopify and HubSpot. You may need to authenticate your HubSpot account and provide access to your Shopify store. Sync your data. After the integration is set up, you can choose which data you want to sync between Shopify and HubSpot. This typically includes customer information, order history, product details, and more. Configure the sync settings based on your preferences. Set up automation and workflows. HubSpot offers powerful automation and workflow features. Utilize these capabilities to create targeted marketing campaigns, personalize customer experiences, and automate various processes based on Shopify data. Explore the HubSpot platform to take full advantage of these features. Track and analyze data. With the integration in place, HubSpot will start capturing data from your Shopify store. Use HubSpot's reporting and analytics tools to gain insights into customer behavior, sales performance, and marketing effectiveness. Monitor key metrics and make data driven decisions to optimize your Shopify store. Customize the integration. So, depending on your specific requirements, you can further customize the integration between Shopify and HubSpot. This might involve mapping custom fields, creating custom properties, or configuring advanced workflows. Explore HubSpot's documentation and support resources for detailed instructions on customization options. So by integrating Shopify with HubSpot, you can streamline your marketing, sales, and customer service efforts and gain a holistic view of your business data. HubSpot offers a range of tools and features to help you drive growth and improve the overall customer experience. And that is how you do it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.